Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Police Superintendent Ray Arino, the company, the commanding officer of 5th Special Action Battalion. And I saw the video. I can also identify the person in that video. Yes, sir. Yes, some officers assigned in 55th Special Action Company.
Okay na. Please,